So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. You might be amazed to hear magic. Yes, it is magic. We all have been doing mathematics since our childhood and facing the heat, facing the trouble, facing the difficulties in solutions, in solving the mathematic problems. But this subject, Vedic mathematics, it will make all those calculations so simple, so faster that you will start believing that it is a magic, right? So before we start, let me give you a brief. For example, now, if I ask you how much time you need to write a table of 89, yes, in the week, Pavan, Piyushi, how much time you need to write a table of 89?
Approx 2 minutes, sir.
Approximately 2 minutes. Yes. Kanchan?
Yes, sir. 3-4 minutes. 3-4 minutes.
Danesh, I asked you this yesterday also. So Danesh is from Mauritius. Few are from India, others are from Nepal. Great. Okay. Now you all will be amazed that this magic, it will take only 10 seconds to solve or write a table of 89 in Vedic mathematics, and not even 89, any table you come across. It is so simple, so easy that it seems some magic has happened, right? Similarly, if I ask you what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11, so can you think this answer right now? No, but you all would be able to solve after this workshop. It is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5, and not even this. All such problems you will be able to solve. So for today, we'll be solving fast multiplication, and then we'll be removing the fear of tables, the biggest fear in any child for mathematics, right? So let's begin with the workshop. Now, so very first thing is, I would like to say you that you should pat yourself. You should congratulate yourself because you have taken a step forward to learn a new subject. See, very often it happens, we plan for something, but we are not able to take a first step. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
give you examples. But yes, first you should congratulate yourself because this would be a new journey in your life, a new journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics. So let's welcome this new journey. And now I'll give you, okay. So before that, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Yogesh Chandna, and I'm an author as well as a trainer of Vedic mathematics, right? And being an author, I have written books on Vedic mathematics step by step, which will give you deep insights of this particular subject. Also, I'm an educator from past 25 years, and I motivate and help people to learn and grow as an entrepreneurs, right? So how many of you are looking forward to grow as an entrepreneur? Yes, Danesh, Indavi, Piyushi, great. Now, the only thing, first, let me tell you this thing, this is a workshop, not a webinar. So whatever is coming in your mind, whatever query, questions you have in your mind regarding the subject, you are most welcome. You can ask any point of time. There would be no that you will seek permission, nothing like that. Move ahead, whatever comes in your mind, please ask the same moment. Because queries should be solved first, your doubts, questions should be cleared first, right? Now, I was telling you regarding the first.
Please explain entrepreneur in detail, sir.
That would be coming
Entrepreneur in detail.
See, entrepreneurship will be coming tomorrow. That topic would be, today we'll be learning about Vedic maths. So this workshop is divided into two things. One is learning of Vedic mathematics. Second is launching your own classes. So launching in your own classes would be a topic for tomorrow's workshop, right? So Pawan will deal in that. But now when you're coming for an entrepreneurship, the first thing is you should face the audience. And now you are not ready to face the teacher even. So you have to
Yeah, I am ready, sir.
please switch on your cameras. No excuses for that. Okay. So first
Okay,
step
sir.
is no issues. Okay. Why now? First step is the most difficult one, and usually it happens just now before the new year. You know what happens when new year is going to come? We start planning, we start making some resolutions. Yes, we'll start jogging from this new year first day. We'll start motivation, we'll start meditation, we'll start something XYZ. And what happens on the first day? We just ignore the things. We just don't bother to take, or we just make ourselves so lazy that we don't take that first step. Your parents come and ask you, let's go to a temple on the 1st Jan. You'll say, no, today I want to relax. I was there partying whole night. But if you have to go for a movie, you'll just pack up and get to the movie. I won't say movie is a negative thought. See what happens with every positive thought in your life. Whenever you think positive, there is always a doubt associated. Just visualize everything. Whenever you were supposed to take any decision of your life, there was a negative thought or there was a question mark coming. But when we are going for something negative, I don't say movies are negative, but yes, still they are not that positive things also. Something creative, not. So whenever there was a positive thought in our mind to start meditation, start yoga, or start even education, start something new for career, we always had a question mark. Should I start today? Or let's prolong it for 1 day more. Let's prolong it for another 2 days. And what happens? This resolution, we are making these resolutions continuously every year, and we are breaking those resolutions, right? Because we were not able to take that first step. So that is the importance of first step. And that was the reason I told you, you should pat yourself. You should congratulate yourself that yes, you have taken that first step towards a new journey in your life, right? And it is only that first step which decides the future, correct? Okay. And moreover, don't think what I would do at this stage of my life. Never think this way. If this would have happened, we would have not had KFC chicken. You know about that man, he failed for around 20-30 times before he succeeded, and now he's earning so good, a great brand, KFC. Similarly, when our this Donald Trump, he became a president of the most powerful country of the world. What was his age? Yes, do you know what was his age that time?
Approx 56, 55.
I think it was 63. So at that time, when people start thinking that I am retired now, I should relax, that was the age when he was contesting and he became a president. So age is just a number. Whenever you think you can start your new life, but only thing is initiate first step. Correct? So that is the importance of first step. And even Bhagavad Gita, see, we'll start our session with the first adhyaya of Bhagavad Gita, which says we should be motivated and confident throughout our life. This is what is expected from us, motivation and confidence. But what happens? Even during a day, a single day, we generally lose our confidence. And we start thinking the other way out. Oh, I'm not feeling good. I'll not go for work today. Oh, I'm not feeling good. I will not eat something. What is this? Nothing is expected from us. Only be confident, be motivated, and things will come in your life. So no worries. Now you are at the right time, right place, and let's start our journey with confident motivation and the positive thought. So it is a day to learn, launch, lead, and move towards the success in your life. So let's come to Vedic mathematics, the topic of the day. Now, how many of you are aware with the term Vedic mathematics? Yes, Pooja, Pawan, yes. What is Vedic mathematics? Yes, Arvinder, please.
Vedic mathematics is related to our Veds, and मतलब कि इसमें आसान तरीके से मैथ को सॉल्व करना सिखाया जाता है, जो कि हमारे एंशियंट टाइम से चला आ रहा है. हमारे जो ऋषि मुनि थे, महर्षि थे, बड़े जो मतलब संत थे, उन्होंने एक अच्छे मेथड तैयार किए इस मैथ को सॉल्व करने के लिए.
Correct.
I think so.
Yes. Why? See, again, I told you be confident. So जब आंसर ठीक दे रहे हो तो कॉन्फिडेंट भी होना चाहिए ना. फर्स्ट थिंग, सी लाइफ में कॉन्फिडेंस से ऊपर कुछ नहीं है. So if you know
Yes,
the
sir.
answer, be confident. Because what happens
Okay, sir,
when you're
next time.
teaching to the, अच्छा एक बात बताओ, you're teaching to the students और अगर डल होके सिखाओगे तो वो समझेगा. कॉन्फिडेंस से सिखाओगे वो भी
बिल्कुल नहीं.
खुश. Right? Okay. Yes, Arvinder. Inderveer, sorry.
बिल्कुल. Yes, sir.
Yes, Inderveer Kaur, you raised your hand.
कि वैदिक मैथ्स जो है इंडिया में ओरिजिनेट हुआ था एंड कैलकुलेशन के इजी मेथड है, बट सब्जेक्ट में काफी डेप्थ भी है, तो क्योंकि मुझे काफी इंटरेस्ट है तो मैं कुछ बुक्स पढ़ती रहती हूँ, बट इतना ज्यादा नहीं पता.
Okay, so that we'll discuss later on what all topics you know and where is the confusion. See, what this is not the time to compare, but yes, I'll give you the insights also, and whatever queries comes in your mind, you can clear, not an issue. Now, yes, Mr. Danish, any idea now? Though we had some word yesterday, we interchanged some. Yes, Danish. Voice, your speaker is off. You're muted. Yes, Piyushi, you were there in the seminar in the Ask Me Now show. So what is Vedic mathematics?
Okay, you can hear me now?
Yes, now it is audible.
Yeah. So it's the system of mathematics preconized in the Vedas. The ancient rishis, they worked on it and they put it forward in the Vedas. I've gone through a few videos on YouTube, and I see it's easier. It's easier. Big calculations that sometimes we think it's difficult, but it becomes easier.
Yes, so that is why I use the word magical. Big calculations for single line or single step, right? So we'll discuss. Now, before giving you a definition, what is Vedic mathematics?
Sir.
Yes. Yes, anyone has to say something?
Doing maths calculation in simple way.
Very good. So you need to write down. Okay, take a screenshot of this also, beta. Take the screenshot. Right, and I'll be sharing you the notes today. So that notes, you have to keep it with you. You have to revise, right? Okay. Now, before
Sir.
Before going in depth Vedic mathematics, why is it called Vedic mathematics? See, it is called so because of its origin. Yes, Pawan was right. It is believed to be originated from our Vedas. So how many Vedas we have?
Four Vedas.
Yes, which one?
Four. Rig Ved, Yajurved, and
Yes.
Arthved. Rig Ved, Yajurved, Arthved,
Yes,
and last
Piyushi,
one
which
is
is the last one?
Samved.
So Piyushi is from Nepal. Yes, Piyushi. Which one is the fourth? Rigved, Yajurved, Atharved, and the last?
Samved.
Samved. Right. Okay. So it is believed to be originated from our Vedas and particularly from Atharveda. Right. The Veda which deals with all the engineering, mathematics, culture, medicine, and all the sciences which we are today aware of. Right. But the the subject, it was revived largely due to the efforts of Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirachi. Now, he was a Shankaracharya of Govardhan Peeth. Govardhan Peeth is in Jagannath Puri, that is in Orissa, right? Got it? So, Vedic maths is called so because of its origin, and Swami Bharti Krishna Tirachi Maharaj was a person who revived this subject, or who gave us this magical subject, which today we call it as Vedic mathematics. Got it? Now, coming to the definition, what is Vedic mathematics? So, very simple words. It is a collection of techniques. Now, techniques are clear. Techniques means methodologies or methods or formulas. Now, in maths, to solve any problems, we have formulas. So we call it as, it is a collection of techniques or formulas. And in Vedic maths, we call these formulas as sutras. So we can say Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques or formulas or sutras which makes our calculation easy, faster, and simpler. Got it? So it is what makes our math simple, faster, and easier. Very simple definition, very simple topic. And now, what all we can cover, what all we can do with this subject? We gave it a name, Vedic mathematics. And so that means an extra burden? No. We can solve entire mathematics, be it your arithmetic, which includes all your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, be it your algebra, all the linear equations, the polynomial equations, the multiplication of the equations, the scaling equation, cubing equation, or solving the linear simultaneous equations, calculus, conics, trigonometry, geometry, and even organic chemistry. Got it? Any questions you have on this? Yes? Yes, Piyushi? आपका कोई question है?
It is also applicable in chemistry.
Yes, organic chemistry. Physical, I'm not sure, but yes, in organic chemistry it is. And moreover, we can see when we talk about arithmetic calculations. So wherever we have numericals, so definitely numericals can be solved by, what do we use in numericals? We use arithmetic operations only, right? In physics, particularly if I talk about physics, we always use a value pi. Yes or no? Do you remember pi? 22/7.
Yeah.
And
yes.
Every time we get this value of pi and we waste a complete paper. Why I'm calling it as wasting a paper? Because dividing by 7, it will be always recurring. So full page goes on and we are not able to conclude the answer. It is 3.142587 and further going on. And you know one fact, dividing by 7 is the most simplest thing, though we were not aware of it. Dividing any number by 7 will always give same digits after the decimal every time. Always 6 digits, just rotation changes. We will discuss in course of time. So it is there in physics also, if we say. Actually, you can say all arithmetic calculations. So wherever you'll be finding arithmetical calculations, you'll need Vedic maths to solve easily. Correct? Okay. Now, question arises, why Vedic mathematics? Now, Piyushi, she's in Nepal. They don't have any compulsion to do Vedic mathematics. Dhanesh from Mauritius, you don't have any compulsion. Yes, till a year back, it was not a compulsion in India too. At that time, people were doing it as an extracurricular activity or as an evening activity. Though now as per our national education policy, it has been added. So a big question mark for everyone, for every person, every student asks me, every teacher asks me, we have so many subjects already. Why should we learn Vedic maths? Why is it important? Yes, beta. सोचते हो आप? Piyushi? Now, the answer to this is
Yes, sir.
yes. Gracie, can you answer this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me. Now, the answer is
903.
now the advantages are so, there are so many advantages for learning this subject that makes us think that why it should not be added. So the advantages are so much. In one single word, if we talk about, it has got so many advantages. Now, the first advantage, if I talk about, it is, it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Can you believe this statement? You all would think, oh, it will take, okay, 1 month to practice and then we might be able to do it. But no, within 10 minutes, your speed will enhance. You all would be experiencing this today in the workshop itself. Do you believe that your speed can change? Yes, Danish. Now you are also 63. Yesterday you had a birthday. Do you think speed will increase within 5, 10, 15 minutes? Or it can increase? How many of you agree with me that it will increase, and how many of you think that it will not increase? Let's check
It will
it.
increase.
I agree, sir. I agree.
Now the question arises, why it does happen? See this statement now, why everybody would agree, because we have been listening to this statement every time. We have been watching whenever we open Facebook, whenever we open Google, wherever we go. First line is it increases speed. Yes, Indraveer, you have done something regarding Vedic mathematics. So the
Yes,
first
sir.
statement is always this: it improves or it increases the speed. My question is something different. My question is, why does it happen?
Because it has quick calculation methods, different methods by which we can solve the sums.
Okay. So as per you, the methods are simple, so speed increases. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Agree? Any other? Yes, Pawan. किया था एक बार. याद है कुछ? नहीं. बहुत पहले किया था. 1 साल हो गया शायद.
स्लिप हो गया सर.
Yes, Gracie.
ये तो है, इंक्रीज करता है, लेकिन
See,
Yes, it do increases.
we don't have to follow. अगर हम सिर्फ वही पढ़ेंगे जो लिखा है, तो हम improve कैसे करेंगे? Knowledge enhance कैसे होगी? I was today only morning I was discussing with someone. अगर सभी बच्चे सिर्फ वही पढ़ें जो टीचर ने पढ़ाया है, so how scientists will be born? How gurus would be born? Analytical thinking तो होनी ही चाहिए ना. मैंने एक word बोला, yes, it increases the speed. You should not agree to it until and unless I give you a proof, or your question should be there. Why does it happen? And if you are giving me a relaxation, you are not asking me, same will not happen with you. Maybe tomorrow your students will ask you this question. So your doubt should be clear. Got my point? Every point, whatever comes in your mind, there should be a question mark. Yes, why it happens, how it happens, so that your thoughts, your idea or your concepts are totally clear. Yes, Gracie, you were saying something. Why does it happen?
Yeah, I was saying that it helps to in increasing concentration too.
Okay.
Yeah.
My question is, why does it happen? आप जो बोल रहे हैं, you are saying advantage of Vedic mathematics. I am asking, why does speed increases?
Actually, we use many tricks which help, which gets our mind more quick answers. Our mind gets quick answers. Yeah.
Yes, Pawan.
Sir, I am agree with you because I have seen it before in your session, sir. So I am agreed. Otherwise, I don't agree, sir. with you.
Now this is escaping from the answer. Right. Okay. Gracie, our volume is down. So please increase the volume. I'll give you the reason. Now, first reason is very simple. We never thought of it. How do we read a line? How do we read a paper, a magazine, any topic? We always go from left to right. How do we write? Again, left to right. But when it comes to mathematics, we always go the reverse way. Right to left. First unit place, then tens place, then 100 place. So our brain is not equipped to that function. Why? Just now you all are sitting at your home at some place. Just see in front of you. There might be a cupboard. There might be something placed. When you will see that, the things placed on the left hand side would be visible first, and then on the right hand side. And this is how our brain works in coordination to the eyes. हमें हर वो चीज पहले लेफ्ट दिखती है फिर राइट की दिखती है और मैथ्स वी डू रिवर्स. दैट इज व्हाई आवर स्पीड गोज स्लो इन मैथमेटिक्स. हम मेंटल कैलकुलेशन क्यों नहीं कर पाते? दिस इज अ रीजन. बट इन वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स the subject gives us flexibility. Either you can do it from right to left or left to right. Both options are available to you. You can do both the ways, and that is why our speed increases. You will experience this also today. Second reason, yes, your reason was correct. Now, but I'll tell you the reason behind it. Now, if your maid is absent, that day you are able to do household job in less time or more time?
More time.
Then you did not get
It
my
will take
question.
more time.
No. See, when you are not dependent on anyone, when you are independently doing something, any job, any work, anything, whenever you are doing something independently, you are able to do it much faster, because at that time, nobody is there to interrupt, or nobody is there whom you have to guide. So working independently always increases speed. It is anything you do. Similarly, in Vedic maths, you are not dependent on paper or pen. You can do the calculations mentally. That means independent of any external things. So when you don't need a paper even, you don't need a pen even, you are just dependent on your mind, that makes your speed faster. You can calculate things mentally. Correct? So this was the second reason. Now the third reason is a small question. If I ask you what is 576 multiplied by 121? Yes, Piyushi, can you find 576 into 121? If I give you this question, what would be your first reaction, or what would be your first step to do? Yes, Danish.
Right, then calculate.
Now, first step क्या होगा? आप first 576 लिखेंगे, उसके नीचे 121 लिखेंगे, and you'll start solving. Correct?
हाँ. Yeah. Yeah.
Now this is, or any number would have been there, you'll follow the same concept. Now remember, I'll give you this question same and you will answer it. But abhi ke liye I'll tell you what happens. In Vedic maths, we start visualization. That means whatever number comes to us, we visualize that. Then we find a reason behind that. And then we apply a logic. So every number, because every number has a unique property, there are only 10 numbers, 0 to 9, correct? So every number has a unique property and you start visualization, you start visualizing the numbers, then you find a reason behind it and then you apply logic. And any person, any student who, now if these three things are inadequate in you, visualization, reasoning logic, reasoning powers and enhanced logic, will it not helpful to you? That is the reason I say it is a life-changing process. Why? You come across any situation in your life. If you can visualize, that means you'll first visualize the problem, then you'll find a reason behind it, and then you can apply a proper logic. And that is the reason why so many research are being undertaken on this subject, that it is not helpful only in maths or your Vedic maths. It is a life-changing process. I just had a word with one of a director of a very group of colleges. She said, she rightly said, she said, it's not a mathematics, it is a science, which transfers the way to think. I will not say more right now. I want you to experience that thing within this 10 minutes, after 10 minutes. But I'll just say one thing. These three things are very important in life, and that will change your course of. So when you are able to think better, you have reasoning skills, you have logics, so definitely your speed will enhance. Fourth reason. Now, just now we discussed second reason, that we calculate mentally. So when we are doing the calculations mentally, that means some part of our calculation we keep in our intellect, our brain. So both the brains, both right brain and left brain, they get activated. And what happens, we already know. Right brain means people who are more creative, more inclined towards arts. Left brain means people who are more logically stronger. And what happens with the combination? The person becomes more intelligent, you can say, or more fast. This is also one reason, because both the brains, both right brain, left brain gets activated, and that is the reason why our concentration levels increases. Right? So definitely when both the brains are working, our speed enhances. So these are the four basic reasons. You'll not find it on Google, because this comes with experience and this comes with, but when you'll experience yourself right now. And
can you sir repeat the first reason, the psychological one?
Was we always write from left to right.
Yeah, okay.
You read from left to right. आप कोई भी चीज पढ़ते हैं कैसे पढ़ते हैं? लेफ्ट से राइट ही जाते हैं.
Definitely.
और मैथ्स कैसे करते हैं?
Right to left.
Why reverse? आपका ब्रेन सारा दिन हर काम, रीडिंग, राइटिंग, हर काम देख लीजिए आप लेफ्ट टू राइट करते हैं. और इवन अभी आप सामने देखेंगे एकदम, तो आपको जो दिखेगा that would be from left to right only. First things placed on the left and then right. Because आपका ब्रेन हैबिचुअल हो चुका है, आपका आइज के साथ ऐसा कोऑर्डिनेशन है. हम सिर्फ मैथ्स जो है वो उल्टा करते हैं, and that is why maths goes slow. So you'll just observe. So take out your paper and pen and let us observe whatever we learned till now. and how it will change everything now. We'll start solving. So the first topic of the day is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Yeah, please remember this. I'll be asking question on this also. Piyushi, are you getting?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you have to solve. Okay. So these problems you'll be solving now. Now 11. 11 is such a magical number. If you multiply 11 with any digit, any single digit, what do we get? Same single digit is repeated twice. Correct? But did we observe with the double digit number, triple digit number, four digit number, what happens with them? We always know up till 10 because 10 ka table, 11 ka table, 110. We never thought how it comes. Right? Okay. Now the question for you is, what is 12 into 11? Yes. How do you solve? Yes, Anish. How do you solve it? Last year,
12 multiplied by 11.
Yes.
So
much
I am
time.
going to write it. I am going to write it and count.
Okay, do it. I want to know by which method you do. Yes, Piyushi, what is the answer? Indaveer, what is the answer? Gracie?
132.
22.
132. Now,
132. Yeah.
everybody was doing like this. 11. Correct? So 2 times multiplication and 3rd time addition. Correct?
Yeah.
Now see the things. 12. First digit as it is, add second digit as it is, in between add the digits. 1 plus 2 gives 3. This is your answer. $24. First digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the digits. Your answer is 264. $33. 3, 6, 3.
I did not get it.
You didn't get it.
No.
Okay. Give any number, any 2-digit number.
Okay, 12.
First digit. What is the first digit of 12? 1.
1. 1.
Write 1 as it is. What is the second digit?
2.
Write as it is at the 3rd position. In between, add the 2. What is 1 plus 2?
3.
So this is your answer.
Okay, okay.
So it is digit 1 plus digit 2 and digit 2. Yes, Indaveer, did you understand?
It's too simple. That's why I did not understand.
Yes, Piyushi. Piyushi, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means 63 into 11 is? Yes, Danish. Answer. Fast. You don't have to
Sorry,
write.
sorry.
63
Say it
into
again.
11.
693.
Yes.
639 193 193.
How 193?
No,
No.
no.
It is 72 into 11. So 792.
792.
You don't have to think
Yes.
about 11. We are doing this.
Yeah,
81.
792. 891.
36.
Sorry,
396.
39.
44.
484.
484.
35.
385.
385.
Okay. So all up to
46
here
होता
it is clear, but now see Piyush.
46 हो तो सर
वही जा रहा हूं. Now see, for 36 we did 3, we did 6 here, and in between we added, right? In Vedic maths we'll use a line. This is known as balancing line. Now what is the use of this line? The use is, if you remember place y value. Place value means at unit place you'll have 1 digit. At tens place you'll have 1 digit. At 100 place you'll have 1 digit. So similarly, in these balancing line, you can have only 1 digit. Now what happens? See, 36 into 11 is 396. What about 37 into 11? 3, 10, 7. So do you think it is 3107? No. Now this is correct. At unit place, only 1 digit, correct. Can we have 2 digits at tens place? No. So extra
No.
digit moves further and it becomes 407. Yes, is it clear?
Yes,
Piyushi,
sir.
Danesh?
Yeah, yeah.
yes
Okay. Now, Pavan, you are asking 46. So see, 46 into 11.
yes
4, 10, 6. So that means 506.
506.
okay
So how easy it has become? Okay. So what is 83 into 11?
9.
911 913
913.
Be confident, be fast. What? 79?
869.
817 819
869.
How 81? Pavan, how 81? 7 plus 9 is 16. So 6 will come.
yes
869.
Tracy?
Yes, I said 869.
थोड़ा आवाज जोर से, बहुत आवाज कम आ रहा है आपका. Okay. So 87 into 11.
297.
957
957.
Yes,
297.
is it clear?
297.
Okay. So what is the largest 2-digit number?
99.
99
So what is 99
99.
into 7?
1089.
Sorry,
1089
Yes, Danesh, did you get it or not?
no, 99 into.
11. We are doing 11 only. So don't think
Okay,
of
11.
other number.
Okay.
See, topic
Yeah,
is
yeah.
11 only right now.
Mhm. 989.
1089. How 989? 9 will become 9.
Yeah. Yeah, 1089.
1089.
Yeah.
Any questions from number 11 to 99 now? Yes, Piyushi, any question? Piyushi? Pooja? Kanchan? Okay. No question, Piyushi?
No, sir.
समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
चलिए 3-digit नंबर पर आते हैं. Now 1, 2, 3 into 11 करना है. Again, very simple. First, as it is, what is 1 plus 2?
3,
3.
3,
What is 2 plus 3?
5,
5,
5.
And last 3 as it is.
And last?
3 as it is, last digit as it. First and last digits would be always same. One more example, 2, 4, 5. So 2 as it is, 2 plus 4 gives me 6. 4 plus 5 gives me 9. And 5 as it is. And otherwise, 2 times multiplication, 3rd time addition. So which is easy?
this method.
But you're not answering. Okay. So what is 2, 3, 2, 3 into 11? Yes, please solve.
2,
Sir,
3, 3.
3, 5, 5, 3.
Very good. Yes, Piyushi?
Can you repeat, sir?
5, 5, 3.
Which one?
The last one you were saying.
3, 5, and this 5 and 3. Again, first digit, first plus second digit, second plus third digit, and third digit. Got it? Okay. Now,
Yes.
here we were not having any carryovers. Let's go for carryovers also. 2, 4, 6. Now 2 as it is, 2 plus 4 gives me 6. 6 plus 4, this gives me 10 and 6. So this will move here. It will become 2706. Is it clear now? Yes, Danesh. Is it clear?
Yeah, it
Okay,
is.
you
It
have any
is.
doubt?
No, it is okay, sir. It is
Okay.
okay.
Give me any number, any 3-digit number.
748.
748. Now see, 7 as it is, 7 plus 4 is 11. 4 plus 8 is 12 and 8. So what happens? This goes here. It becomes 12. Further, so 8, 2, 2, 8.
2, 8.
8. Yes.
Can you repeat this one, sir?
What is the problem? Where you are getting stuck?
7 plus 4, 11.
Huh? So I have written 11.
Yeah.
4
4
plus 8,
plus 8,
12.
12. Yeah.
Now see,
So,
so I cannot have 2 digits here. So what I'll do?
yeah.
2 would be keeping here. 1 will move further. So what will it become? 11 plus 1 is?
12.
So again, 2 I'll keep. 1 will further shift.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. 6, 6, 6 into 11. That's why I asked you, you give me a number so that, see, when you will do it, then you'll understand better.
7326.
Okay. Yes, in the week of.
Yeah, 7, 3,
Yes,
2,
sir.
6.
7326.
Danesh, Piyushi.
Yes, 7, 3, 2, 6.
So you got it. Correct.
Yeah.
7, 8, 5.
Picture
7, 8, 5.
785.
Sir, 8635.
Yes, 863.
8635.
865.
Very good. 5, 9, 8.
Sir, 6578.
6578.
6, 5, 7, 8.
Very good. So, acha, you are doing it faster or your calculator would do? Particularly this I am asking right now. I think
You
you
can
are,
do much faster.
because pressing on the calculator will also take time.
Yes.
And these particular problems you are solving it much faster. Acha, wo किसी को दिया रहने दे. So your speed is increasing. Right.
Yes, sir.
Good. Any question on 3 digit? Any question you would like to do, Danesh, Piyushi?
It's okay.
8, 9, 9.
Sir, 9889.
Yes, 9889.
Yes.
Okay. So now what is the largest 3 digit number?
9, 9.
999.
999.
So yes, what is 999 into 11?
10989.
10989.
10989.
Piyushi, what is your answer, beta?
Pardon me, sir.
What happened?
Pardon me.
Your answer for 999. You not solved?
9,
9,
9.
9,
7,
7.
1, 1.
See here, 9, 18, 18, 9. So 1098.
1179.
No, 10989, beta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Still no issues. Okay. So that means from 11 to 999, any doubt, any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All are going faster than calculators. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Yes, can you solve?
Yes.
Tell me. Yes, Danesh. Try.
Yeah, trying.
13574.
1, 3, 5,
5,
7,
7,
4.
4.
So now that means one cannot be fast. Yes, Danesh, did you get the answer?
No, sir.
Why? What was the problem?
Cannot follow.
Why? What can? Okay, what is 1, 2, 3 into 11?
1, 2, 3. 1, 3.
Just now we did it. You did triple
Yeah,
nine.
yeah.
So 1, 1 plus 2 makes 3, 2 plus 3 makes 5, and 3 as it is. So similarly here, 1 as it is, 4 as it is, 1 plus
Yeah.
2 makes 3, 2 plus 3 makes 5, 3 plus 4 makes 7. So you need to
Okay.
understand the basic concept. So it
Yeah, yeah.
hardly matters when it is a 3-digit number, a 4-digit number, or a 5-digit number. The concept should be clear. Ki first digit will keep as it is, then keep on making pairs.
Yeah.
You have to follow that.
Yeah, I'll have to go through it again.
Why?
A bit lost.
2, 3, 3, 4.
Sir, 25674.
674.
2, 5, 6, 7, 4. Yes, Piyushi, are you getting this answer, beta?
Yes, sir.
Why? Be confident. Smile and answer. What happened? Tough hai? Okay. Coming to further 3, 6, 6, 4.
Four 40304.
40304.
So 4, 0, 3, 0, 4. Yes, Danesh, did you get?
No, I am not able to follow. I am not able to follow here. You know, I I am not so rapid with the numbers. I have been a language teacher.
That's fine. But here we just have to see. We are not doing anything different. We should not have and don't have excuse for this for yourself every time. If you'll give this excuse to yourself, you will never be able to learn maths. Never say I cannot because this, because that. They might say we are not. Nobody is maths teacher over here. So don't say like this. Say I can try and I will get it. See.
I will try it. I will try. I will get it because I have to go through the steps again, and I will get it. It's sure I am going to get it.
See, first as it is, then first pair is 9. Second pair is 12.
I didn't follow. I didn't follow the first the number you were saying itself.
Which one?
You were saying about what the numbers you said.
No, no.
36,
Okay,
64.
I'll go back. See, first is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the first number? 1.
1.
We are not changing anything. Still, right from this double digit to triple digit to 4 time digit, we are doing the same procedure.
Yeah. So we are going to write 1. You were going to write 4.
Yes. And in between, you make the pairs. See, that was you understand ki first write 1, first write. But otherwise, if you see, we are writing first digit, then first combination, then second combination, third combination, and the last digit as it is. Okay. No issues.
Second combination will be 1 plus
1 plus 2.
No. Yeah. Then it will be
2 plus 3.
2 plus 3.
Then
2
3
plus 3.
4.
Yes.
Then 3
3
plus 4.
plus 4.
Okay,
Yeah.
you can write. You can think this way also. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and the last 4.
Yeah.
The way you can. Every method is with you. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
No issues. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 6 into 11. Please solve.
Sir, 74646.
74646.
Very good.
Yes.
Seven, 4, 6. And with
How
this, yeah.
Now you got it? How we got 7, 4, 6?
Is it 7, 4, 6, 5, 6?
4, 6. How do you get 5 over here?
6 plus first one is first is 6, last is 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 4. 7 plus 8, 15.
And then?
No?
Yes.
6. Then 4 plus 6.
8 plus 6.
Yeah, sorry, 8 plus 6, 14.
So that is 14. That's all. And the last is 6.
Yeah. So 14, yeah, 4, 4. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So 8, 8, 7, 7 into 11.
877.
Sir, 97647.
Very good. Yes, Piyushi, what is your answer? Pooja, Kanchan, koi answer nahi?
97647.
Okay, good. So you are getting everything? You are understanding?
Yeah, 97647. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So any question up till now? Okay. So let's conclude
sir.
4-digit also. So what is the last biggest 4-digit number?
9999.
So 9999 into 11 is
109989.
Ganesh.
109989.
109989. Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Piyushi got the answer?
14,9,989.
Very good. Good. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. Five digit now.
135795.
This was what I told earlier. This was what I started. 135795. See how easy
Yeah.
to calculate now.
135795.
Very good. Today, talk to your friends and ask them what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. And you know it by heart now. Yes?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Danesh, did you get it?
Yeah, got it.
See the concept, just understand the concept once. Then don't worry how many big digits are coming. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So 3, 4, 6, 8, 9.
Sir, 381,579.
Okay, good.
381,479.
381579.
Very good. Got it, Danesh? Gracie?
38,
Yes.
38,
381.
yeah. 5.
If there is problem coming right now,
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I want to tell answer. 380579.
थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई बेटा.
Okay, sir.
Because what has happened? 0 का ये भी तो 1 आएगा ना? This 1 will come here. Got it?
Okay, sir.
So this was a small mistake.
381,589.
So now any doubt in all these calculations?
No, sir.
Okay. So
No.
Absolutely got it.
what was the topic? Yes, Danesh. What was the topic we started?
Multiplication by 11.
Okay. So where did
And
you
it's
multiply?
We didn't multiply, we added.
So got the things?
Yeah.
The topic was multiplication and we did not multiply. See, when we are younger students, when we are into class 1, 2, and when we are for the first time taught multiplication, we say 2 into 3 is 6. A child does not understand what is this cross. So we say repetitive addition means again is multiplication. So we multiply 2 3 times and we get the answer. Correct? This is what we are taught. But here, did we multiply? My first question was 12 into 11. Did we multiply, added 12 11 times?
No.
So what new we did? This was what was our belief till now. Either directly multiply, remember multiplication, or add it to find multiplication. Now we did something new. That was first. So what are the observations? First is we added corresponding digits. Remember the word corresponding digits. I'm not saying we added the digits. Because if it was 123, did we add 1 and 3? No, we just added 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. Got it?
Yeah.
What more you observed? Yes, Danish. सोचो, लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस किया आपने, अभी ये जो किया, इसमें क्या ऑब्जर्व किया आपने? What new we did it?
This becomes a pattern, sir.
Okay. Yes, Indraveer. What new?
I think visualization increased.
We have not started that topic yet. Yes, but impact आया है. But more impact was how you were
Right. Oh, sorry.
calculating-
Left to right, sir.
You were
Left to right.
calculating from left to right.
हमने
Right.
For the first
Left to
time,
right,
you
sir.
have done maths with left to right. Okay, I give you the same question again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I give you the same question again. Now try to do this way. See, you have been doing from right to left only, na? Try. Can you do it mentally? It becomes difficult to do mentally from right to left. Just think over it.
Yes.
Any number, this is just an example of 5-digit number. Any number you take, you in comparative study, if you do, it would be much easier to do from left to right rather right to left. And left to right we learned today itself, only 10 minutes or 20 minutes, half an hour. And for the lifelong we have been doing right to left. Here it failed. So I have proved you that yes, when you will start doing calculations from left to right, you will be more faster. Visualization was correct because mentally tabhi hoga, mentally would be possible only if you are visualizing the numbers. You were adding those mentally because you were not using rough paper. You were not using rough work. You were just doing it mentally, adding the numbers. Yes, it was sometime it took some seconds extra, but that is because you are doing it for the first time. Yes or no? Yes, Danish.
Yes.
Yeah.
First observation was we were adding the digits, and the second was we were doing from left to right. So for the first time, maths is being done in the opposite direction.
left to right.
And that gives more results. Any question you have, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll go for a test now. So any question you have, you can ask on this topic.
No, sir.
Yes, Danesh, any questions?
No, sir.
No, no.
Okay. So what is 141 into 22? Solve. Time over.
2102. 2102.
Yes.
2102.
3051.
2102 31051. Yes.
3052. 3052.
3102.
3102.
How did you do it in the Veer?
Sir, I multiplied 141 by 11. Then I doubled answer.
Okay. Pawan, आपने
सर मैंने स्टार्टिंग में जो लिखा उसका डबल करता चला गया. 1 लिखा तो 1 का 2 कर दिया और 1 + 4 किया उसका डबल कर दिया 10. 4 1 किया उसका डबल कर दिया. सर इस तरह किया.
तो पहले आपने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, फिर 11 से कर दिया. Yes. Now, first thing, tell me, in the Veer, अगर this question was asked before the workshop, then what was your step?
I would have multiplied in normal way. 141 नीचे 22 के.
So what has changed now? I did not teach you this. You visualized you find the, see, you visualize, you find the reason, you applied the logic, not me. So you did, Pawan did like this. You did. Correct?
Me, sir.
Yes.
दानेश, कैमरे से छुपे नहीं, आगे आइए. Gracie, your answer was, my answer was wrong initially.
So I had written 3 only, but I spoke 2 today.
Okay. Yes,
3102 is right.
answer is correct, but the way of approach is different. First, see, all of you change your mind. You have not done like this now. You have not done this way. Oh, sorry. Nobody has done this way. Why? Because now you have started visualization. But Abhi, now the point is, which both the ways are correct. I won't say this is wrong or this is wrong, but which is more appropriate? Danesh, समझ आया क्या हुआ?
Yes, yes.
So what were you thinking? How to solve?
But 11 करके double करता.
First or second? मतलब second करते या first करते?
First,
Double
I don't know.
after that.
Yeah, double after double the answer.
So this particular question is correct both the ways, but which is the ideal situation? So ideal situation is this, not this. I'll tell you why. Let us assume instead of this, it was 99. So 141 into 9 was easier, or 1551 into 9 was easier?
First method.
So always remember, whenever you have to multiply with multiplier, whenever you have to multiply with multiplier of 11 or anything later on, so first multiply with multiplier. Why? Because 11 is such a number which you can multiply any big number simply. You cannot multiply with any other number so simply. Got my point? So step 1 will be multiplying with the multiplier first and then multiply with 11. So always remember this. Yes, Tanesh, any questions? Pawan?
Okay, sir. No question.
समझ आ गया बात को कि बड़ा नंबर भी तो हो सकता है, हर बार 22 तो नहीं होगा. Yes, Piyushi? Did you understand?
Can be 88.
Can be 88, can be 87, any, and 141 नहीं होगा, बड़ा नंबर भी होगा. Okay. 576 multiplied by 121. What is the answer? How will you do?
5, 12, 13, 6, 6, 3.
We'll do first
6.
by 11, then what the answer will come, we'll do again by 11.
So this question I asked you before also, and you all thought to solve like this: 576, 121, correct? Now it is very clear. It is 11 into 11. So that means 6336 and then further 11. First 576 into 11, that is 6336. Then 69696.
Yes, sir. Same.
So got the point? What has changed now? You started visualization. You started finding a reason behind that. Visualization thi ki yes, 121 is a factor of 11. Reasoning thi yes, 11 method is the correct one, and you applied it. Yes, Danesh, did you understand or no?
No, sir.
So क्योंकि सोच नहीं रहे हैं आप.
शायद.
मैथ्स वीडियो से नहीं होगा. मैथ्स मूवी नहीं है जो देखेंगे और समझ आ जाएगा. आ भी जाएगा, पर जब हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे फिर नहीं आएगा. चीज कहाँ चेंज आई? देखिए जब मैंने आपको ये क्वेश्चन पहले भी दिया, बिफोर दैट, so I asked you what is 576 into 121, and that time you answered like this only. 3 time multiplication and 1 time addition. But now we know that 121 is what? 11 into 11.
Yeah.
So first हमने किया 576 into 11, 6336. Again 11, 69696.
Okay.
The way of approach has changed. So that was what I mean to say earlier. Visualization will play a very important role. So every number, every calculation, now you will take it seriously, you will take it mentally. And when you take it mentally, things will be happening. Earlier, we never thought the way. We never thought of it. Yes, any questions, any doubts now?
सर यदि मान लो 989 है और मल्टीप्लाई बाय 88 है, तो 989 को पहले 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, आफ्टर दैट 11 से.
11 को लास्ट ही करना है.
हाँ, लेकिन जब हम 8 से करेंगे तो वो जैसे हमने मैथड सीखा हुआ है पुराना वाला, वही राइट टू लेफ्ट वाला, उसी से करेंगे फिर.
आपको ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है?
नहीं, प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मैं मतलब क्लियर कर रहा हूँ.
यही पूछ रहे हैं ना? 11 तो आपको पता ही है अब.
हाँ, वो तो पता है.
ये भी अभी कवर करेंगे, अभी आएगा टॉपिक में. I'll tell you how.
ठीक है.
See, मैथ्स में क्या है, सारी कैलकुलेशन इंटर रिलेटेड है. 11 का जो कंसेप्ट है, that is what is not linked to some contents. इसीलिए ये टॉपिक पहले कराया जाता है, otherwise it is a vast subject. Yes, any questions? Okay. Yes, Indavi.
No, sir, no questions.
Okay. Now we did 123 into 11 and we were able to do it. First we did 12 into 11, we did it. Then 123, then 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11, we did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11, we did it. But why this is constant? This can also become bigger. So what will happen if I change this 1 to double 1 to triple 1? What will happen? Can you make a guess? Can you think over it?
Repeat, sir. I can't listen you, sir.
अभी मैंने 123 into 11 तो आ गया. अब यहाँ पे बड़ा कर दिया, इसको ट्रिपल 1 कर दिया. अब क्या होगा? Yes, Indaveer.
Sir, we will add 3 digits at a time.
Okay. Yes, Danesh. See, now this is a problem. If it was a kids workshop, kids class, they would have asked me, why are you adding 2 digits together? Because there were 2 ones. Now we have 3 ones. So we can add. So my possibility of adding 3 numbers is possible now. See, 1 plus 2. Earlier, what I was doing, okay, I'll give both. Just wait. Now see this example. 123 into 11. So I was doing 1 plus 2 2 plus 3 and 3. That was 1, 3, 5, 3. But when it becomes 133 into triple 1, now it is 1, 1 plus 2. Now, since it is 3 ones, I can
Plus
add
3.
third digit also, 1 plus 2 plus 3.
2
What
plus
after
3.
that? 2 plus 3. What
2
after
plus
that?
3.
Last.
2,
So the answer becomes 1, 3, 6, 5.
1, 6.
Is the difference clear now? Yes, Danesh.
Yes.
पीयूषी समझ आया? Is it clear? Piyushi, why are you serious?
Pardon me, sir.
Why are you serious? समझ नहीं आया? Are you getting?
Yes.
So give me the answer then. Now I'll ask a question, answer it.
Okay.
Yes, is it clear? So when it was double one, so the maximum combination was 2 digits.
2 digits.
But when it is triple one, the combination. So simple, this concept you should remember, and then no problem is there. Look, 5, 7, 6 into triple one. Yes, what is the answer now?
So
63936.
So 5, 12, 18,
18,
13,
13.
6. So 6, 3, 9, 3, 6.
Sorry, sir, I had to leave.
Okay. Chalo, I'll share you the recording then.
Okay.
Yes. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4 into triple one. Now what will happen?
One 136,974.
So what is
Yes.
1 as it is, then 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now here
6.
is a typical thing. Now we have already, the maximum limit has been reached. So what do we do when maximum combination has been done? We shift towards the right. Yes, so the next would be 2 plus 3 plus 4. And then 3 plus 4. Then 4. So
4.
1, 3, 6,
6,
9,
9,
7,
7, 4.
Clear? Anyone has any doubt now?
No, sir.
7, 8, 5, 4 into triple one.
Repeat the question. Repeat.
7855.
871 871794.
Good. Yes, Ganesh, are you able to do it?
Not yet.
Where you are finding problem? Tell me. See, first is 7, then 7 and 8 combination, then 7, 8, 5. Now, after 3 digits, we cannot move further. So what we do, we shift 8, 5, 4, then 5, 4, and the last is 4.
After 3 digits, we cannot move.
We cannot have more combination because we are restricted, na? 3 ones. Like earlier, we were doing only 2 digits. What was there?
Yeah,
This example, 1, 1 and 2. So what after this we were doing? We were shifting. Same.
Okay,
See, the
okay.
concept remains the same.
Mhm.
You need to understand the concept only. Got it?
Eight 71794.
Yes, Danish now.
Eight 79874.
Okay. No issues. See, doubts, clarity, you will. So now that means, okay, I'll reduce it. If it is 12 into 111, now what you'll do? If it was 3 digit, you were doing 4 digit, you were doing, but what if it is less? Now what? Yes, Danesh.
No, sir.
Yes, Irvinda. In the week, sorry. Okay, if I add 0, now it is a 3 digit.
Yes, sir.
Then 0, 0 plus 1. It is just for your, satisfaction. Yes, I added 0. Otherwise, see, this and this figures would be same only. Yes, Danesh. Pawan.
Yes, sir. 1332
सोचा ये?
सोचा तो था सर, किया भी है, पर श्योर नहीं था। मैंने कर दिया था सर ये 1332।
फिर मैंने सी पॉजिटिव थॉट एंड डाउट कम्स।
यस,
ऑलवेज रिमेंबर।
मैंने एक बार जीरो को आगे ला के किया, एक बार लास्ट ला किया, फिर लास्ट वाला सोचा
लास्ट
गलत
में
है
तो यू
बिल्कुल,
कैनॉट
फिर जीरो वाला अगले वाला
यू कैनॉट डू लाइक दिस।
चेंज, हाँ वो नंबर चेंज हो
फिगर ही
गया।
बदल गई,
यस यस,
इससे फिगर नहीं बदली ना।
बिल्कुल फिगर चेंज हो गई, 120 हो गया वो। हाँ, ये चल रहा था, मतलब कि मंथन चल रहा था। मैंने बीच में लाने सोचा, वो चेंज हो रहा है, तो मैं सोचा आगे जीरो लगेगा और जब करेंगे इसको।
यस
यस,
पीयूषी, Piyushi, you have switched off your video. What happened? Now gone for
Yeah.
something. Okay. Are you getting or not? No worries. Similarly, now if it is 4 times 1, you can do. Or
यस सर,
later 5 times 1 also. So let's try 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 times 1. Now what will be the difference? The
1 2
difference is
3
now you
4.
can have 4 combinations.
यस, लेट्स डू।
Yes, I have done it.
1370974.
One 1370974.
Yes, Danish.
0974, yes, 1370974.
Now any question?
Sir, is it a pattern there when we are multiplying by 4, 11 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1? First digit, 2 digits?
No. Don't remember. Don't think of some pattern. Why? Because this number can be different. Na? You can have 12 also. You can have 123 also. 1, 2, 3, 4 also, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I can ask. So never plan or some fix your mind. Ki, yes, this is a pattern. Only try to understand what is happening. So first we always take the single digit. Then we keep on increasing the digits. That only you remember.
Okay, yes.
Because now if it is 5 over here, then what will happen after this? Again, there would be a 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes,
So
yes.
now double 4 digit will come. So we should not
Yes.
fix our mind ki yes, there is some kind of pattern. Only thing we have to remember is how we have to move forward.
Okay, yes, sir.
Got it? Yes, Danish.
Yes,
Any
sir.
question?
Thank you.
Don't worry. See, don't worry about it, Danish. When you'll practice, you'll get it. I'll be giving homework today
Yeah.
to practice. And once you'll do all those questions, submit it, your doubts should be cleared. And even if there are after that also, we'll clear it tomorrow. Right?
Definitely.
This was just to understand how things work. Okay, now one more question last. 999. Into 4 times 1.
999 into 4 times 1.
4 times 9.
4 times 9.
And 5 times 1.
5 times 1.
क्या वो scary?
Sir, 11109
111 कैसे आया? किसमें? फर्स्ट का कह रहे हो, सेकंड का?
4 times 9 into 5 times 1.
What is the answer? 1110889, correct?
9. Yes, sir.
और सेकंड में?
सेकंड कौन सा सम सर? सेकंड बताना।
4 times 9 into 5 times 1.
उसी का सर, ये 4 times 9 into 5 times 1 का सर।
नहीं, और उसका पहले का?
उसका नहीं किया, उसका करते हैं।
चलो। Yes, Ravinder, did you get the answers? Danesh, are you trying at least? Try, no issues.
Yeah.
एक बार गलती होगा
No,
दोबारा।
I am trying. I am trying. I am listening to you, but I'll have to go through the recording again.
No issues, no issues.
Yeah.
You'll be getting notes. In that, it would be more clear.
Yeah.
Now, any question, any doubt regarding any such multiplication? So, even if it is now 333,
ट्रिपल
4 times or 4 times 3, or so again we'll do the same way. First with 3, then with 111. Right? Yes. Any questions now? Piyushi? Gracie? Any questions?
No, sir. No doubt.
ट्रिपल 110 888 is it right?
Yes.
And oh sir, 4 times 9 into 5 times 1 वो रह गया था अभी।
वो किया,
बताओ ये बात।
110 9
हाँ यही है सर, 11109 888
मैंने स्क्रीन पे लिख दिया आंसर।
स्क्रीन शेयर। हाँ यस।
Got it? Any questions, any doubts you have now?
No, sir.
Definitely, when you'll practice, you'll learn more. But if you have any questions, I'm here to solve. Right? So 5 times 1 aa 6 times aa, that does not matter if at all you are following the same method. Right? So the approach should be correct. Okay. Now let's move further. So we started with yes, this helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Now you believe it? Yes, Ravinder. Now it is fast or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It's very
Danesh?
fast.
Yes, Danesh.
Yeah, definitely.
So now this was the first reason why we should do math, Vedic maths. But this was not the last. Another, so okay, before moving further, this was what we did, how we did. So you'll be getting all these notes, right? And this was what we take the test. So 564. Okay. So we were adding corresponding digits and not multiplying. And for the first time, we did left to right. The second advantage or the second major reason is tables. If you ask any child, they have this, fear. Now, why does it happen? Do you think the reason behind it? Any reason? Do you know what is the reason behind fear of tables? Yes, Inderveer? Are you a teacher, Inderveer, or a housewife?
Sir, I'm a teacher.
So why do kids have a fear of tables? In fact, maths overall, but yes, more of tables. Even if I ask you also tables, they'll say, I don't know. Correct?
Yes.
Why does this happen? See, one big reason, you know what? Actually, we are confusing our kids. Now, an English teacher, Hindi teacher, some science teacher, everybody says, understand, learn, and then remember. First, understand the concept or topic, then learn it, and you'll remember, right? And what does maths teacher say? Cram the tables, because this will be required in the exam. Cram the formulas. This you have to do. Why it comes formula, nobody knows. But you have to cram the formula. Now a child, they get confused what to do. And second thing, really it is difficult to cram so many tables at the same time. So that was the reason I asked you how much time you need to write a table of 89. See, I talk to 50 plus teachers a day. And out of that, 49, 47 or 48 people say, yes, it is a big trouble to remember the tables. Now, if a teacher cannot remember, how do they expect a child of such tender age, they can remember all the tables? And it is not in India. Everywhere this is a problem. I am giving seminars in India that there also kids have a problem. I went to Nepal, 8th class standard students. They were having the knowledge of only tables up till 12. Maybe they could write a bigger one also, but they were lacking confidence. They said, no, only 12. So because our focus is on cramming, rather to generate that confidence, rather to just rather to generate the confidence or motivate the students, we focus on cramming. And that becomes a burden. And when this burden grows, what happens, in class 10, student get less marks. Neither parent has a solution, neither teacher has a solution, or they don't try to find a solution. They say, okay, change the branch. Move it to arts or commerce. Without thinking how much it will affect the future of that child. So people who don't have knowledge, they go for arts and commerce that time. They change. See, I don't say arts and commerce are not good. But the thing is, if you don't have the interest, you are just going to escape from mathematics, then it is wrong. And the people who are financially sound, they make it to medical. Okay, change it to medical. Now, an art student, if further in future, after graduation, they are willing to go for a big or a good MBA college, can they go? No, because they cannot clear CAT examination. In CAT examination, maths is compulsory, and maths they left 5 years back during 10th class. Now they cannot even think of learning maths again. Or even if they try, they'll find it difficult because their mind has, their brain is like that. Oh, I cannot do maths. When you give the signals to your brain that I cannot do, why will brain do? So that was the reason, Danesh, I was saying you, don't say I cannot, I cannot, I cannot. Say I can, and then see the difference in you.
Yeah.
See, always give positive vibrations to yourself. And things change. So, you know, why I entered this field, Vedic mathematics. If you see my profile, I'm an evaluation commissioner of an international body. I'm having a chain of preschool schools, 1200 plus institutions. What made me change is, why do kids commit suicide? If you see, there is no child who commits suicide throughout the year, but the moment results of 10th class and 12th class are released, there is like a flood of such accidents. So many students committed suicide. Why? Because they failed in class 10th or 12th. And which was the subject? 99% is maths. Is maths such a tough subject? Maths is just a game of numbers. So if you understand that game of numbers, you will be through them. So that is the reason why Vedic maths is very important, to give that confidence. Yes, they can do. And when I teach this small things, tables, multiplication to the kids, look at the excitement, look at that facial expressions, the sign of relief. Yes, burden has been removed. I was there last week in Nepal, a small school, a very small school. And the kids from class 3rd to 3rd, 4th, 5th, yes, they were having a knowledge up to tables up till 12. And within half an hour, everybody was, yes, I can write up to 99. You know what? So that confidence, that would always work for them in every class now. Not only maths, every subject. That's, yes, we can do. So Vedic maths gives us two beautiful things. One is, it is a journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence in mathematics. And second thing, the kids get the feeling of I can. So if you have this in your life, I can, then nothing is impossible. And it's not only kids, we also need this sometimes. Yes, I can. Right. So take out your paper and pen again, and we'll learn how to write these tables now. The biggest fear factor of every child and even seniors. And I have, when I talk to even math teachers, they have the same feeling. Sir, why to write? Yes, they don't say 10 minutes, 15 minutes. They question me back. Why to write the tables? We don't get in the exams. Then why do you ask students to learn it? Then they are blank. So one should not behave like this. Yes, I am a teacher now, so I don't have to answer anything, or I will not answer. Let's do it. So to make tables easy, Piyushi, please come in now. Tables, very important for you. So I'll divide the tables into two parts. First, tables of numbers ending with 9. Now, what are the numbers that are ending with 9? 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 89, 119 or even 2009 or 2089, anything. The only condition is at unit place we should have 9. And the second is all the tables, any 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit, 5-digit, whatever comes in your mind. Right. Okay. So let's start with the first. What is this? Yes, Anesh, what is this? Inderveer? Pawan?
Tic-tac. Tic-tac.
Okay. Yes, Piyushi, what is this?
A game.
Okay. Okay.
Game.
You should know that we are not going to play this game, but yes, we'll be using the table. First step is write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this would be right corner moving towards the middle term and middle line and then to the top. Any doubt in any difficulty in this?
No.
So please, have you written everybody? Okay. Now let us assume I'll be writing a very simple table. First, we'll be taking a table of 19. Now, okay, I'll complete 19 here also. Now, when we have to write a table, what do we see? There is always 9 at the unit place. So whatever number or numbers are in front of 9, or whatever number or numbers are at 10th position or 100 position, add 1 to it. You don't have to touch 9. All the numbers which are at 10th position or 100 position, you have to add 1 to it, and you always get a new number, 2. If it was 119, so then the new number was 12. If it was 130, 1339, so then the new number was 134. Clear? Now this is basically a sutra. This is the first sutra of Vedic mathematics that is known as Ekadikena Purvena. That means add 1 to the previous number. Very simple. Add 1. Ekadikena Purvena. So here you don't have to remember now. Just understand. So this 2, what we will do with this 2 is add. Yes. Any question you have, Gracie?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, we just have to add 2 to this. What is 1 plus 2? Yes, Anesh. 1 plus 2.
3.
3 plus 2. We just have to keep on adding 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2. The only thing is you have to come reverse way. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Yes, it is correct. 19 comes 19 here. What is this? Yes, Danish, what is this? It is a table of 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 to the 38.
19.
3 is the 57. 4 is the 76. 5 is the 95. 6, 114. 7, 133. 8, 152. 9, 171. And 10, 190. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Piyushi, is it clear or not? Danish, I hope it
Yes,
is
sir.
not. Okay, I'll give one more so that.
I have a problem connecting. It's not clear here.
Okay, see this now. Up till here, any doubt? First step. Up till here, any doubt? Any questions you have? We have to write like this. See, you have to participate. Just if you'll see, then you'll not get whatever question you have to ask right that moment. Now, let me write the table of 39. What will come? 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So that means I have to add 4 everywhere. So what is 3 plus 4? 7. 7 plus 4, 11.
7.
11
11.
plus 4, 15.
15.
19.
Plus 4, 19.
27.
23.
31. 35. 39.
35.
Now is it clear, Danesh? Or not? Yes, Inderveer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear,
What's
sir.
your method?
Piyushi?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, so if it is clear, can you write 49? Yes, Inderveer.
29. Yes.
Piyushi? Gracie? Pawan?
Yes, sir.
See, Danesh, you are not using your mobile properly. That means there is
Yeah.
always, so you are shifting the screen. That's why nothing will be, if you're using a mobile, there are screens. So if you are keep on shifting the screens, you'll see nothing. Otherwise, everything is on the screen.
Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't know. Now it's now that I know. I should have used the screen. Yes,
Right.
I am losing it. I am losing it.
No issues. So whatever doubts, this is, see, don't worry. I don't say ki everything you can learn within a day. Because
Yeah.
you made up your mind earlier ki yes, I don't know maths. No issues. But when you'll do homework, then again, everything would be clear. And I'll share you the video after 2 hours. So it takes 2 hours to download, then video would be shared. Homework would be shared. So once you'll do those homework and this, everything would be done. Right?
Yes, there was sorry some connectivity issues, but I got all the things.
You got it? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Piyushi, did you get 29? Inderveer, come on.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So how much time is it's taking now? No time. Now see, for 89, what we used to say 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 8. So that means 8 plus 1 is 9. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. 26 plus 9 is 35. 35 plus 9, 44. 53. 62. 71. 80. 89. Less than 10 seconds. See, tables are not that tough if we understand the concept. Yes, clear or any doubt? Yes, Inderveer.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
पीयूषी हो गया आपका? पवन?
Yes, sir.
Very good. चलो एक इजी टेबल दूं, बहुत इजी, 99. Try. So there you will be adding 10 every time. So adding 10 is the most easiest thing, I think. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
So 99 was the most easiest one, right? Because you had to add 10.
Yes.
Got it? Okay. So it's not key, only 2-digit numbers are possible. Even 3 digits, I'll show you one example. Let's say 119. So what I have to add now every time? Yes, what I have to add?
12.
Yes. So 11 plus 12 is 23. 23 plus 12 is 34, 35. Correct? 35 plus 12 is 47. 47 plus 12 is 59. 59 plus 12 is 71. 71 plus 12 is 83. Then 95. Then 107. Then 119. That means I am correct. Got it? Any questions you have regarding this now?
No, sir.
Yes, Danish, did you understand something out of it or not? Nothing.
No, I am only listening now because
Okay,
I
no worries.
I could follow nothing on the screen.
Now
Yeah.
next topic would be very easy for you. Don't worry. Yes, any questions, any doubt here?
No, sir.
Piyushi, have you done? Yes, Piyushi, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. Now coming to the next topic. Okay, now 89, so you all can write. Now, if I ask you 87, then yes. Yes, Indraveer.
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Suppose we are asked a table of 12. How do we do it? One thing is we remember this. Danish, please pay attention now. This is very easy. So this is how we do. We remember it. We have crammed now. Or what we do, 12 plus 12, 24. Then again 12, 36. Then again 12, 48. Then again 12, 60. Correct? This is how we do. Yes, Danesh, ऐसे ही करते हैं, कुछ और भी तरीका है.
Yeah.
And this is given in all the books, even India, Nepal, everywhere, every country you talk about. Now, this was 12, adding was very easy. But when we talk about 87, every time adding 87 means a carryover. Then 174 plus 87, again carryover. Again carryover. Again 261 plus 87, again carryover. So how many carryovers? Do you think this is easy to remember and to calculate such? Now Vedic maths has a solution. Danesh, 1 का table आता है?
1, definitely.
Yes, I may seem fool, but if we all knew this thing, then why didn't we use? Simply writing 1 table, no issues. Writing table of 2. Any doubt in this up till here? Now, I told you, consider this as unit place, consider this as tens place. Now, 1 is at unit place, 1 is at 2 place. That means both are correct. Just rearrange. 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. No calculations required. You just merge 2 numbers together. That's all. Reallocation, you can say. Now, here comes a point. 5 and 10. Can you have 2 digits at unit place? Yes, Danesh. Can we have 2 digits at unit place?
No.
sir.
So
No,
we just shift
definitely no.
here. It becomes 6, 0. Here 2 is kept constant. I just shift here. It becomes 7. I shift here. It becomes 8. 6, 9, 8, 1, 0, 0, 12. So what is easy? Adding 12 every time or adding 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 7 plus 1. What is easy? So why don't we teach this way? So that students have a thorough knowledge ki how numbers can be arranged. Why to cram a thing? Or why to go with a difficult manner every time adding 12? This is the way they can approach. But no book of mathematics cover this. Just now, when we are talking, I received a message from Nigeria, because I have earlier also taught one teacher from Nigeria. Nobody is using such simple concepts. Why are we here to just confuse the students? See, for example, now 87. Okay, first, this is clear. Yes, Danesh, is it clear now?
It's now I can see what you have written on the screen. It's only now.
So it is your mobile problem and you are not able to adjust it.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
is it clear or not?
Mhm. Yes.
You have to see, if you have to say yes, then also it should be confidence. Does not work, because then you will be, a person should be very clear. I got it or I didn't got it.
Mhm.
Then only teacher can help you out. Okay, see now this. If it is 87, now 8 table, very good. 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Okay, up till 6 I'm writing. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Again, 8 and 7, one is at unit place, one is tens. Okay, done. 4 here, because this 4 is called. But now, can I have 2 digits at unit place? No, I'll shift this one. So how simple calculation becomes? No multiple carryovers, nothing at all. A simple addition we have to do, and we just have to keep our balancing line concept clear. Now, I'm not using balancing line here because I'm using a space. Otherwise, this is your balancing line, you can say. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So how was this?
Great. Awesome.
And is it really tough?
So,
Why it is not being taught then? It is easy, that's why it is not being taught. Batao? Yes, Pawan?
Yes, sir, it is easy.
अभी मेरे को आया था वीडियो एक स्कूल के टीचर का आपके पहले काफी दिन हो गया मेरे ख्याल कौन सी जगह थी and earlier this was not accepted. Why? And again,
orally में नहीं कर पाएंगे, जब orally काम करेगा ना बच्चा तो वहाँ नहीं कर पाएगा.
तो orally वैसे रट्टा मार के कर लेता है.
रट्टा में वैसे वो 20 तक करता है orally.
आपको रटाना क्यों है, मैं ये समझना. orally आपका कौन सा पेपर आता है? आप why are you focusing on cramming only? हम बच्चे को और रटा के हमने कितने लेक्चरर्स बना दिए मैथ्स के. Try to understand. This is just one example. हमारे कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर होने चाहिए, हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ना चाहिए. डर के मारे आप बच्चों को, आधे बच्चों को मैथ से बाहर कर देते हैं 10th के बाद. अगर वो डर ही ना होता तो वो मैथ छोड़ते ही ना. कितनों का करियर खराब हो गया. क्या मैथ्स को आप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं लाइफ में? Can you avoid mathematics? There was a question in the Quora. What you should teach to someone in 1 minute and which should be applicable throughout the life. So what answer? If I ask you the same question, what you should teach to a student which should be applicable, that too in 1 minute, and which should be applicable throughout the life. What is your answer, Pawan? Inderveer, Aapka, Danish. Now this is Danish, not related to any topic. You have your own views about it. Anybody can have their own views. Yes, Gracie, what about you? Socho? बोलिए. Yes, Inderveer. See, if we talk to a doctor, what will he say? Artificial breathing. He would always like to teach somebody artificial breathing ताकि emergency में use हो सके. If you talk to an engineer, he'll say straight line बनानी तो आ जाए पहले बच्चों को एक तो 1 मिनट में स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाना सिखाएगा, because that is the base for any pillar. No bridge can stay if your line is not correct. If the base is not correct, no building will stay if the line is not correct. And if you talk to me, a teacher, a trainer, there is, can you live without money transaction? Can you survive? Can you cope up in any country of the world without? You may be a doctor, you may be an engineer, you may be a lawyer, you may be a cobbler, but a teacher, आपको पैसे की ट्रांजैक्शन तो करनी ही करनी है सुबह से लेकर रात तक. किसी को देने हैं, किसी से लेने हैं, कितना दिया, उसमें से क्या बैलेंस लेना है, ये आपको अगर नहीं आता, कैन यू सर्वाइव इवन इफ यू गो टू अ फॉरेन कंट्री? आपको ये भी देखना पड़ता है कि व्हाट इज द ट्रांजैक्शन चार्जेस, सॉरी ट्रांजैक्शन डिफरेंस. लाइक आई ट्रेवल नाउ occasionally in Nepal, so I have to calculate every time, divide by 1.6 or multiply by 1.6, because if I am paying my money, then I am dividing by 1.6. अगर मैं उनके उन मनी में पे कर रहा हूँ तो 1.6. गाड़ी में पेट्रोल डलवाना, डीजल डलवाना था तो भी मुझे उन्होंने बोला 4,000 रुपया. If I am having my money, so I'll give them 2,500 only. So आप आज प्रॉब्लम क्या है हमारी एजुकेशन सिस्टम में? यू टॉक टू, यू गिव योर चाइल्ड a 100 rupee note and ask him to get the bananas from market for 33 rupees 50 पैसा. उसको ये नहीं पता बैलेंस क्या मिलेगा. 50 पैसा छोड़िए, 33 रुपीज में भी उसको बैलेंस कैलकुलेटर खोलेगा या मोबाइल खोलेगा, then he'll be able to calculate, oh, I'll get 67. So what kind of education we are giving them? And that is very simple in Vedic maths. And the formula is all from 9 and last from 10. Is it difficult to remember? All from 9 and last from 10. See, आपने 100 rupees थे, आपने 47 खर्च कर दिए. All from 9, last from 10. Last digit को 9 में से निकाल दिया 2. Sorry, last digit को 10 में से निकाल दिया 3. All from 9. और इसको 9 में, तो 53 is the balance. 33 rupees 50 paisa. Again, all from 9, last from 10. 0 का 0 रहा 5, 6, 6. So this is what you will be learning in Vedic maths. क्या टफ है? All from, एक सिर्फ poem है, rhyme है. All from 9 and last from 10. Do you know why we teach students early childhood years में, preschool में, why do we teach with rhymes, with poems? Because that will never go off your memory. Till now we remember our national anthem because we learnt in that early stage. आज अगर याद करने को कह दें तो आप नहीं याद रख सकते. So this, if this is taught at that time, they will never fail in life. आज प्रॉब्लम क्या आता है? आपकी मेड है, आपका घर के नौकर हैं, they are not able to calculate even कि what return they'll be getting. आप उनको बाजार भेजने से भी डरते हैं कि पैसे ज्यादा दे के आ जाएगा. So what is required in life? What is essential? That is money transaction. So, but again, it depends on person to person. A doctor will say something different, an engineer would say something different, and I being a teacher, I'll say something different now. But this is a practical experience. You cannot survive without money transaction. किसी की भी money हो, किसी भी country की हो, या कहीं के कोई भी हो profession आप. Got it? So there are certain things. Okay, coming back to tables. Yes, any doubt? Even if it is 3-digit number, 123. Again, see. I'll just share up till 123 as it is, 246 as it is, 369 as it is, 12 ka 2, 8 के साथ ये गया. Just now we did with 11. So now you are familiar. Just याद करो कि अगर यहाँ पे लाइन है 5, 1, 6. Any questions you have now? Yes. Any doubt, any questions you have now? Piyushi?
No, sir.
Yes, Danish, it was easy. This topic was easy.
Yeah, okay.
Now you got this thing at least clear. अब इसमें 89 का भी हो सकता था, ऐसा नहीं है 89 का नहीं हो सकता इससे, ये लो. But that is much faster. Got it? Okay. So any questions you have? Coming back then. So why I said it reduces burden. See, now you don't have to remember all the tables. Just table up till 9 or maximum 8. Because 9 ka bhi I have showed how to find that table. Otherwise 9 is the maximum. So most of the burden of cramming those tables and remembering it, that gets reduced, right? So this notes you'll be getting how it is to be done. There are all the steps have been written. Third advantage. Tired to nahi hoge? Are you feeling tired?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So again, the third important thing, why Vedic mathematics? Because it reduces scratch work in mathematics as well as finger counting. अभी आप calculations कर रहे थे, were you using a rough work? No. And if you have observed, maths paper mein we always used to get rough sheets to do rough calculations. Here, most of the solutions you'll be getting in single steps or few steps. Correct? That is called as either you'll be getting in mentally or in few steps. So the steps will be reduced. For example, just say 576 into 121 kiya. So we didn't require that rough work to be done, right? And why I'm focusing here on finger counting. Now, what is finger counting? Now, this is okay. Do you like finger counting? Do you like your child doing finger counting? बच्चा अच्छा लगता है आपको यूं कैलकुलेट करता हुआ? See, this is, there are, when you are living in a society, you always expect your kids to behave in a manner which is accepted by everyone. It should not. So we generally, as a parent, we always feel it should not be done. But I leave up to you to do or not. Why I'm using a term over here, finger counting, is this is habit which is generally developed by the kids. Now, why does it happen? There are two reasons. One is in the school, they get adapt this habit from other students, or when they're doing abacus. Now, why particularly term abacus I'm using here? Tomorrow you're going to become a trainer. So the first question every parent asks is how abacus is different from Vedic mathematics. Yes, do we have the same question? Danish? Indaveer?
Yeah.
So what is the answer? How do you think? What is the answer? How is abacus different from Vedic mathematics? Because abacus is counting on the fingers using a tool. So how it is different? Okay. See, over here, I will not say Vedic math is better than abacus or Vedic or abacus is better. I will leave up to you. But yes, I would give you a brief difference. Now, the difference is limited scope. In abacus, we can just carry out major operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. That means arithmetic, and then squaring and cubing. But in Vedic mathematics, it has a wider scope. With the help of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, we can calculate problems in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, phonics. and what not. Every part of maths is covered. Right. So the scope is wider in case of Vedic mathematics. Second is Abacus uses a tool. It is made of generally beads. And now, do you think you can carry a tool every time whenever you move to a classroom or an examination hall?
No.
So, and whereas Vedic maths, it's done mentally. So it is more effective way to learn also as well as teach. Now today you are here for last 2.5 hours. Now, since it was a mental thing, you could understand easily. But if I was holding a tool in my hand, was it possible easily? So that is, I said, effective way to learn as well as teach. The third major difference is generally Abacus takes years to learn. If you would have seen your kids are going to learn Abacus, they said how much time it has been. They're learning for around 1.5 years and 6 months more. But if we talk about Vedic mathematics, you can complete it within 3 months. Because it can be inculcated with your school subject mathematics, whereas Abacus is only making your brain sharper. You cannot inculcate with your, yes, for arithmetical calculations, you can find the answers. So this is a major difference, right? Any questions on this? Hanji Pawan, any question? Danesh, any questions?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Then comes fourth advantage. It helps to increase concentration. Now, what is concentration? And this is a problem with, this is a doubt, this is a question, this is a, for every mother wants, my child should have a good concentration level. And there is always a complaint in the PTM. My child is doing everything, so why he's not able to concentrate? Yes or no, Indavir?
Yes, sir.
This question you might have heard a lot of times with parents. Now, what is concentration? See, when you're not finding a thing good, will you like to repeat it? Why don't people say he's not able to concentrate in games? Why they never say he's not able to concentrate in movie? Why it's not said they're not able to concentrate in sports? See, when there is no,
because they are interesting, sir.
Sorry?
Because they are interesting. Children take interest in games and movies.
Yes,
So-
because they find it interesting. So that means we know the reason. So why don't we make education interesting? See, if interest is the only topic, why not we make it interesting? And that is what Vedic maths helps in.
Yes.
Now I showed you 2 topics. For so many years, you were finding difficult in tables or calculations, such fast mentally calculations. Okay, tell me one reason. When you were doing these calculations, were you not getting some positive vibes in your body? Were you not feeling something, positive vibes going in the body?
Yes.
What is that? That excitement, that positive vibes, that joys, you can say. So when you are doing calculations with this, you are feeling positive, you are feeling joyous, you are basically enjoying it. And when you are enjoying something, will you not like to repeat it again and again?
और सर छोटा सा एग्जांपल है, हम 2 घंटे से ये कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हैं पर बट बोर नहीं हो रहे, ये इंटरेस्ट ही तो है.
यही तो वर्ड बोला, यही वर्ड मैंने बोला कि अगर हमारे को अच्छा लग रहा तभी तो हम बैठ के कर रहे हैं. This is what, because so when you are finding it positive, when you are feeling it joyous, see, finding positive, feeling joyous, and again your mind, your brain is starting working up एक नया चीज है, विजुलाइज करना शुरू हो गए, लॉजिक लगने लग गए, वो अपने आप में एक्साइटिंग देता है. And when all the things are getting positive, your right brain, left brain is working. जब आपका इंटरेस्ट ही बन गया तो कंसंट्रेशन तो वही चीज है. You will repeat it again and again, and once you'll repeat it again and again, that means your topics, your doubts, everything would be clear. So what is concentration? What is it required for? To get thorough knowledge. That is the work done. Got it? There is no medical, there is no syrup for medicine or medicine for concentration. The only thing is one should find it interesting. One should get that positive vibes so that they can repeat it again and again. And this helps in the same manner. I was there with the Art of Living and we were working on this. Yes, now yoga is very much required, we say. So yoga heals the body. Meditation heals the soul. But for healing the academic performance, Vedic mathematics plays an important role, right? So this we have to see. Yes, topics are mostly over and only some theory part is left. No, not to worry, that you can see in the video.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow at the
Okay,
same time.
thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, reducing silly mistakes. So why silly mistakes are reduced? What are silly mistakes? Silly mistakes are multiple carryovers. When we were multiplying 576 into 121, 3 times multiplication, that means 3 times I would get carryovers. And that creates a problem. So here there are no multiple carryovers, and in subtraction, students find always a problem in borrow. 1576 निकालना है, borrow ही करते रहो. और यहाँ क्या मैंने आपको example दिया, all from 9, last from 10, finish. So no multiple carryovers, no borrow, and no silly mistakes. Got it? So जितनी problems थी maths में वो सारी यहाँ से उड़ जाती हैं. So, do you think now any disadvantages are there? So these were the 5 major advantages I discussed. Any disadvantage you think? Yes, Danish. So you have a life experience. You have been teaching, though not mathematics, but yes, you have experience of life. So what do you think?
Yeah, no, there are no disadvantages. No disadvantages.
Should I give one?
Maybe.
I'll give 2.
Okay.
And particularly that is for Nepal. Why? Because you know they allow calculators in to the students.
Okay.
So the disadvantage is you will not like calculators, and for them they have to. Their calculators are waste.
Yeah.
When you were calculating with 11, see, you were much faster than a calculator, because on calculator also you cannot type immediately. And second thing, your friends will be jealous of you because now you can calculate much faster. You talk to anybody today, say, I know what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. And he will be amazed. Yes, Piyushi, yaad rahega, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. So these are the only disadvantages you can say. Right. So now you believe that?
Yes, sir.
This is magical. We started with the word magic. So was it magical or not? Learning Vedic mathematics is magical or not?
Definitely.
It makes your maths magical. The point is, it makes your maths really magical. Okay. Now, Piyushi, this is not for you, but yes, for others. Now, what has happened?
Okay, sir.
2 minutes wait karo beta, bas inka karana jara sa. Now, earlier what was happening was, if a teacher was teaching something in the class Students used to abide it. जो पढ़ाया वो सही है, जो गुरु ने कराया, that is 100% correct. Nobody could have challenged it. Nobody used to question it. But what has happened after Corona? Now, everybody got a global market. Yes, I am teaching in this country, that students. But at the same time, there is a global competition also, or what you can say, there is a people are you have a they have an eye on you. That means, what does that mean? Earlier in a PTM, if teacher was saying your child is not working or not doing things correctly or not doing homework or anything, parents used to start blaming the child there itself. Even मार पिटाई भी होती थी, बच्चों को वहीं पिटाई हो जाती थी. Yes or no? But after this COVID, what has happened? You know what difference has come? If teacher says your child is not working or not doing this, okay, we know how you are also teaching. We have seen your videos as well as other teachers' videos. You speak this wrong. What I mean to say is, there is a comparison now. You are under a scanner, what you call, you are under a camera now. Everybody is comparing you with the others. So, very important, two things are there in life now. One is content. So your content should be 100% correct. Second thing, delivery. How you deliver it to the further clients or students, that is important. Now I'll give you an example. If interview is there and you are there for an interview, does your certificates matter or your presentation skills also matter? Because certificate might be your gold medalist, but if you don't know how to teach, how to take a class, will you be selected now?
No.
This is a big change which has happened. Similarly, so just certifications does not matter. Delivery is very important. Similarly, if you are in a company, you might be regular, everything is going correct. But at the end of the day, if you're not able to present your company in the meeting, you're nothing. Because that is important. What you have been doing inside is, yes, okay. But more is on the how you present yourself. Now, so what exactly has happened is, we all are salespersons now. It's like everybody is a salesperson. Early morning, you receive a call from XYZ bank. She is calling you because she's selling you a account or something, an insurance company. It's not stopping here. आप market में कहीं भी, you go to any mall, any room, any showroom you enter, he'll guide you. What is that guidance? That is also selling. If I am teaching you today, what is I am teaching you? I'm selling you the content. I'm selling you my subject. I'm selling you my knowledge. So everyone, everything works on this now. Right? Nothing you can say is fixed. So both these things are very important, content and delivery. Talking about Vedic mathematics, I'll give you all the content. But at the end of the day, you will also have to deliver it further. You have to make students understand. So that is also very important. Correct? So I'll be sharing you homework after this in your WhatsApp. Please do it. One thing. Second thing, for teachers, please have a Facebook account. if you have profile, that is fine, but Facebook page is required so that you understand how to launch it. आप एड जो है वो प्रोफाइल पे नहीं देते हैं, वो फेसबुक पेज होता है. तो पेज एक बनाना पड़ेगा. अगर पेज बनाने में कोई दिक्कत आए, यू कैन आस्क मी. अदरवाइज देयर इज ऑप्शन इन द फेसबुक प्रोफाइल टू क्रिएट अ पेज. A very easy thing. There is a difference between profile and page. We'll discuss tomorrow. And Instagram. So everybody should have by tomorrow a Facebook page and Instagram, right? And homework should be done so that all the doubts should be taken and further new things can be taught, right? So any questions now? हाँ पीयूषी बेटा.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, Piyushi, any question?
No, sir.
So now you can write the table of 109. पापा को नहीं देखना, आपसे पूछा मैंने. 109.
I will try.
Good. Always never say no. I will try. Yes, good. I can do it. And you can do it now. Right? For everything in life, always say I can do. I will try. Good. Yes, Danesh? Pooja?
Yeah, I will work out the recording you are going to send. I will work out again.
And recording,
And
okay, recording will take
yeah.
around 2 hours. So don't worry about it. I'll be sharing. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, Pawan?
तो ये फेसबुक पेज ओपन करना कंपलसरी है?
करना आपको बेनिफिट देगा अगर आपने करना है, नहीं तो मत कर. क्लास कैसे
ये टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होते हैं. मैंने
हाँ?
सोशल मीडिया को भी बिल्कुल हटाया हुआ है फोन से सर. सोशल मीडिया को मैं यूज नहीं कर रहा था.
क्यों?
तो ये कंज्यूमिंग, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग बहुत है.
टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है तो आप अब मेरे से दुनिया कैसे मिलती है? ये दानेश जी मुझे कैसे मिले मलेशिया से? नेपाल के ये पीयूषी कैसे मिली? अभी आपकी सरकारी नौकरी है ना, इसलिए आपको
Yes,
ये
yes.
फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. वो दानेश जी अभी रिटायर हुए हैं तो उनको पता है.
हाँ.
और कभी भी रिस्ट्रिक्ट अपने आप को ऐसे नहीं करो कि ये ऐसा है. कोई भी चीज अच्छी या बुरी नहीं होती, आप कैसे यूज करते हो उस पर डिपेंड करता है. मैंने 97 में कंप्यूटर इंस्टीट्यूट स्टार्ट किया था. करीबन 15 से 18 साल चलाया मैंने. मेरे आज तक किसी भी मेरे कंप्यूटर में कभी गेम नहीं आई. मैंने आज तक मोबाइल पे कोई गेम नहीं खेली. तो वो मेरी रिस्ट्रिक्शन है ना अपने लिए. बट मैं मोबाइल ही लेना बंद कर दूं या कंप्यूटर लेना बंद कर दूं इसके कहने से, ये सोच के कि गेम्स की आदत पड़ जाएगी, तो देन आई एम रॉन्ग. आई शुड हैव कंट्रोल ऑन माई सेल्फ. सो यू लर्न अ लॉट. सोशल मीडिया पे रोज नई चीजें आती हैं, कई नॉलेज आएंगी, कई टॉपिक्स आएंगे, देन यू कैन शेयर नॉलेज विद अदर्स. चल कोई बात नहीं. Rest, it's your wish. I cannot say more. ठीक है? So okay, thank you, and we'll start. Right? So tomorrow at the same time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, जी.